No, no, no. Just put this one there.
Huh?
Put this one here.
The top?
No. Like this. Okay? Okay. Then push it down.
Which?
Down. That's good. Ooh. Okay. I'm teaching. Say hello, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make rice
For the first time.
for the first time that my mom's teaching me.
Okay, go ahead.
Just two?
Yes. Okay, you don't count. Put this one here. So, Nikki's first time nagluluto ng rice. 1, 2. Okay, then. Close. Put it down. Okay, then. Come on. You need to go to the... Here.
Put water?
Yeah.
How much?
Clean up first. Put some water. Okay, use your hands to do like this to clean up. That's good, Nikki. You know enough water. You should put a lot of water in there. Wait. Oh, you see? You need to remove the dirtness.
With?
Okay? Okay, now you have to throw the water. Okay. Be careful. Oh, be careful. No, not like that. Be careful with the
Rice?
Slow down. Slowly. Yes, that's right, Nikki. Okay, now you need to put some water again. Okay, enough. Then you have to do the water again.
How much?
Okay, that doesn't matter. Put more. Okay, put it down. Then you do the same thing. Clean up again. Okay, then you throw the water.
There.
Okay, it's okay. Then now, put more. You need to put water again.
Again?
Okay, you need to find. No. You need to do the. Wait, mayroong ano. What do you call it? This one?
Dirt.
Yeah, where is it? Take it out. You got it already. Then, can or not? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Put water again.
Okay, how many? No, that's enough. Then you have to do your finger like this. You have to straight. And then, no, straight only. Okay, how many? Where's the rice? No, not like that. Straight. Okay. Here, up, put it up. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, then you need to you need to get the here.
What?
Here.
Tissue?
You need to dry the rice cooker. Make it dry. No, don't put so much. Only the one only. Okay, now Okay. Wait. Okay. And say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
No, no, no. Just put this one there.
Huh?
Put this one here.
The top?
No. Like this. Okay? Okay. Then push it down.
Which?
Down. That's good.